In this video, we're going to look at dimensioning our windows and doors for our ranch style house. And to do that, we're just going to go to Annotate and Aligned. And the windows and doors are dimensioned from the exterior faces of the core of the wall. So if I want to dimension along the back of the house here, I start by clicking the end wall core face. And then windows and doors are dimensioned to their centers. So I'm just going to go along here, and I'm going to pick the center of each window, each door on that side of the house, click the other core face at the opposite end, and then place that row of dimensions. After placing the dimensions, we can then make adjustments. Okay, this door looks like it should be moved over a little bit, so we're not wasting all this space behind the door. So I'm just going to click the door and change the dimension. And I'm going to try 13.6 for that. That looks a little bit better. Okay. Then we go to the next window, and right now it's at 9 feet 10 inches. Just for simplicity, I'm going to move it to 10. Okay. Go to the next one. That's at 19 feet 3 inches, and it is centered in that room, so I'm going to leave that one at 19 feet 3 inches. It's centered because I remember when I put it in, I centered it using the temporary dimensions. Okay, then we go to the last one here, and it's 8 feet 7 inches. I'm just going to round that off to 9 to simplify it. Okay, and that way you get a nice set of dimensions for your builder to go by that are all easy to measure. So I would continue adding those dimensions all the way around the outside of the house, as you see here. And then on the interior of the house, we don't really need any dimensions on this particular house because all of our doors are in the corners of the rooms, about 3 inches from the corner. The one thing I do notice that I missed here is in my kitchen dining room area there's supposed to be an opening, and in Revit openings are stored under components instead of under doors. So I'm going to click component, and then I want to click load family. Alright, so I go to load family, go down to openings, and you see there's some options there. I'm going to choose this one. I like that little elliptical topped opening. And when it opens, I have some size options there. So I'm going to go with a nice wide opening, 60 inches. And I'm just going to place it right there. And I would put a dimension on that also. And this is a case where you would want a dimension for that opening. And again, I would go from the core face to the center of the opening. And you can see that's 3 feet 4 1/4 inches. Well, let's just adjust that a little bit, and I'm going to make it 4 feet. Whoop, change the wrong dimension there. Let's change this one. Okay.